Chemistry behind baking cookies. Main ingredients include sucrose, fat, gluten, and sodium chloride. The batter has a physical change and becomes a heterogeneous mixture. When the batter heats up, the sucrose breaks down into glucose and fructose, forming a polymer chain, giving the cookie its light brown, shiny crust.